Can't wait to get this plastic dip off right now. Just sick and tired of the gray look, you know?
You just know it's not fast motion, cut the audio.
Yeah, that's what I'll do. Alright. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to remove thin Plasti dip off your wheels. So looking at this rim, 2 different types of color Plasti dip on here. There's a white, which is the really thin layer, and then there's the gray, which is the semi-thin layer. Like, look at the tools I'm going to be using today. We got some clean strip paint stripper, which is good. I've used this before, as well as try some Goo Gone. Billy swears by it, so
it works, guys.
Yep. His actually came out decent. Also, be sure to wear gloves, guys. You're dealing with some pretty, you know, poisonous chemicals and stuff. And I just picked up this. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but it's just a plastic scraper. Just shake this stuff up, and then we're going to spray a whole layer of it right across the wheel. Pretty much doing its job. It's separating that Plasti dip from the original aluminum alloy coat. Start to wipe this, and from the looks of it, we're getting down to the white first coat all the way down to the alloy. So this stuff is definitely doing its job. It's just going to be a very long process. Might as well try some Goo Gone while we're waiting here. Making some progress. Right here I have a few spokes exposed. Add a little bit of water to this, try to spray it down with some water, and then wipe with the rag again. Using the putty knife right here. This stuff is surprisingly scraping off easier than the other tire was, so just gonna keep on going here. Definitely a good investment, guys. Remember I said I wasn't sure if that 98 cents was worth it. Definitely get yourself a putty knife. I'll probably put some more Goo Gone spray on there and then rub it off towel. Do that a few more times, and we should have the original rim color that we're looking for. We're gonna have this to that. All the gray off right now. I wish I had a pressure washer, because this stuff would be off like instantly. Look at that. Head over there. It's still hard. It's still on there like crazy. It's caked on. But it's coming off, man. It's doing something. Bill on hose duty. I'm dying right now. Look at my face, man. Holy crap.
You want a quick miss?
Nah. I got to tell you guys, you can get either one of these products at any Home Depot, Lowe's.
Sponsored by Home Depot, honestly, man. You're always there.
I should be sponsored by Home Depot. Recognize me, man. Now comes the hard job. We really got to put some blood, sweat, and tears into it. Officially have the final product. Came out better than I expected. I honestly use 3 different things. I use Goo Gone. I use a little bit of paint stripper. Don't use a lot of it, because I think it will end up screwing up your wheels, the stock paint. And I use some just tire cleaner. Gonna go ahead and put this baby on now, and then all I need to do is my other 2 fronts, and we'll be good to go. So that's how you guys remove thin Plasti dip. Pretty easy for cheap. So if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, drop your comments down low, and subscribe. Junk. Worst brand you can buy right here. Harbor Freight's probably better. The original silver, the hyper silver cover. Jesus. Can't even talk right now, man. I'm just too focused on this.